Well, good morning, everyone. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Economic Trends. And first of all, some of yous may be watching it, some of yous gonna watch it later on. If you miss it, that's no problem at all. It's gonna be automatically uploaded onto our YouTube channel. If you're already on YouTube, that's brilliant. If you're not, you can subscribe to our channel and you will be receiving some vital information, some market insight, and what is happening in the world of finance. So guys, this is me, your host, Zach Harris. Some of you do know me, some of you don't. I'm a financial trader, and a lot of you probably would know me from being my students and analyze markets with me week to week basis. So the reason I wanted to host this broadcast and live webinar this morning, actually, at few different occasions, I be analysing the markets and keeping you updates about our live trades at 9 a.m. this morning, which I'm doing it right now. 2 p.m. this afternoon, 6 p.m. this evening, and 9 p.m. late this evening. So one of the main reasons I wanted to do it, because this is a big, massive event today in the world of finance because of the US election, and that will have a massive impact on the market. I remember 5 years ago when Barack Obama re-elected. After his first 5 years, traders and investors, they didn't really like him, and because of a few different reasons, and the markets absolutely dropped. And we were there. I was working for some different company at that time, but we took an advantage of that movement and profited from the market that day. And I would never ever forget that day, because we have gained massive profits, and that's exactly what I like to capture. I will be trading on FTSE as well as Wall Street, Dow Jones this morning and this evening, in order to capture maybe few hundred points. And few hundred points, capturing maybe 200 to 300 points, if we're talking about roughly, wow, in like massive gains. In percentage, we're talking about roughly maybe 15 to 20% in 24 hours, while it's a matter of just analysing markets, picking a right point to get in and maximising that opportunity, and as well as to protect our trading account as well. That's why exactly I wanted to, rather than me getting on to our students and our clients one by one, you could literally pick my brains from YouTube and see how we're analysing the markets and what would be the right opportunity to get involved today. So guys, before I kick on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to the markets, popular markets. I'm going to show you where the markets are going. Most of the markets are slightly up today, so let me just show you. Okay, so now we're looking at FTSE chart, but let's go on to our popular markets. So this is a popular markets where you can see FTSE is trading on 6809, 6810. FTSE opened at 8 o'clock this morning. It's 20 points above from the closing yesterday. And German is slightly up as well, 28 points, 10,466, 10,468, 0.27% up since the close of yesterday. Wall Street, even though you can see the Wall Street is slightly moving as well, but because it's a merging market, even though officially Dow Jones is closed, but it will always be moving because it is the overall index we are looking at. And we won't be trading on the stocks, we will be trading on indices today. So I'll be trading on FTSE and mainly Wall Street today, and pretty much everything is up. As you can see, the currencies are up, and we have got GBP versus USD. Even Great Britain pound is up for a change, which hasn't happened in a while. Euro versus USD is up. Everything is up. Let me just show you we looked at the overview, but let me just show you the FTSE chart. Where do I think where it's going? So at the moment, as you can see, I have drawn these two lines, horizontal lines, and one vertical dotted line, as you can see here. markets hasn't dropped below, not even that point. If I were to actually move this line, let's say here, so this is the price on the right hand side. As we all know, this is the price of the FTSE. Bottom of the chart is the time frame. So we're looking at the moment 10-minute time frame, and like FTSE hasn't, since last night, it hasn't gone below this level of, let me just make it slightly bigger again, below 6790, and it hasn't gone above 6822. So FTSE's range is in between 20, 30, 32 points, which is not enough to even capture 20, 25 points in a day, because FTSE is not ranging at the moment. At the moment, all these markets are consolidating, waiting for some sort of results to react to the US elections. But I genuinely believe, fundamentally, let's talk about it. Fundamentally, I think if the Hillary Clinton gets elected, the markets should rise. And not because I follow fundamentals, I'm a technical analysis trader, but the reason I'm saying it, because looking at last few days, when the news came out that FBI was investigating Hillary Clinton last week, the markets actually dropped about 150 to 200 points, and it had a very negative impact. But when the news came out Sunday evening, Monday morning, like yesterday morning, that Hillary Clinton is cleared, the markets shot back up, and massively. Like the FTSE was up over 2%. Wall Street was up 1.7%. So by the looks of a thing, fundamentally, that investors and traders, they actually want Hillary Clinton to be the president of US. And if it does happen, I believe that the market should rise by looking at the previous reaction for the last couple of days. But again, I'm not going to follow the fundamentals. I'm keeping an eye, I'm keeping that in mind. That point that if the Hillary Clinton becomes president, there will be a chance the market goes up. But God only knows how the traders will react to it. Whatever way the traders will react to it, we will have our charts opened up in front of us, and I'm gonna follow our charts, different time frames, in order to capture the movement, the right direction movement. Either it's going to be going up or down. But whatever happens in the market, I know one thing for a fact: there will be few hundred points movement in between today and tomorrow. And that is one of the main reasons that I wanted to actually analyze the markets, broadcast live on our YouTube channel, so you'll be able to see how to actually catch the trades. Because I know a lot of us, even my own students, they actually usually learn wave trading strategies, which means you'll be placing trades and walking away for a few weeks, and you'll be only spending maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes, half an hour maximum every week to 2 weeks time. But this is sort of momentum trading, means you gotta catch the momentum and maximize the opportunity. Or you could even call it day trading, but today event, I wouldn't even call it day trading. It is a massive event, as long as we able to catch that movement. So guys, these are the points. If you are following markets, if you are looking and analyzing the market, these are 2 points: 6790, 6822. These are the 2 points that the market hasn't gone above 6822. I'm talking about FTSE, and it hasn't gone below 6790. So I'm not even sure. The last election, I knew I was looking for a short opportunity, and we caught short opportunity and managed to capture maybe 400 to 500 points. Like, I'm talking about overall our trading account, maybe 25-30%. It was a massive gain, and that sort of movement, if not 25-30%, I'm still looking to capture at least 15 to 20% in next 24 to 48 hours time. So guys, I'm gonna leave it at this stage. Nothing happened just yet. I haven't seen any entry that I see that, look, this is the right entry to get involved into the market. If I do place trades, I will be going live into the market. However, I will be back on our live YouTube channel at 2 o'clock to give you an overview what's happening, and if there is an opportunity, I reckon there will be one, because the US markets will be opening today. Cheers, thanks very much, and have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or on our live chat box, and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions, or simply email me. Cheers, thanks very much, and have a great day.